don't know, where are we, Tyler?
I don't know, I forgot it.
And move to Veda.
I don't know where we are.
Alright, we're at the Spring Creek Trailhead. There's a sign over here.
Part
Part of the Buffalo River Trail.
No pets allowed.
Interesting, huh?
Yeah, good to know.
Yeah, we're about to head out down this trail right here, so we can't really see.
I can see the next
Point out
marker
that
in
way
there.
we're going to try to go to.
Right down there, I don't know if y'all can see it or not. That marker's right there. You can actually, I can see the river down there. That's pretty cool. You can't see it, but I can. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, it's not going to work.
I can see the bluffs through the trees.
It's right. It is right. My finger right there. That little green spot. All right. Y'all ready to hit this trail?
Yep.
All right. Say we'll talk to you later.
Hold on. Talk to you later. Come here, Bill.
Yeah, holy crap. I didn't even see them down there.
There must be a creek that runs down through this.
Yeah, we'll cross it and go to this point. That's what it is. Hit this point.
I'm going to start going back up gradually along that hillside.
This point is right at the end.
Filming? You can, yeah.
Tyler, do you want to film?
Yeah, dude, this spot is gorgeous whenever it's...
Got water flowing down through it. Yeah, don't walk out there, Vader. There you go. A big ways down, huh? Hey, here's cactus.
Wow. I don't think we see that on the trail.
Mm-mm.
Weird.
Why don't you pick it up?
I will.
Don't. Well, I probably would for $1,000 too, sweetie. Hey, Veda, do you remember the time you fell on a cactus at Grammy and Pa's house?
Yeah.
That sucked, huh? Mm-hmm. Yep. You can see the river down there, huh?
How's that point out there?
Huh?
Out
That looks amazing.
Over this way, right through there, you can see the bluffs. We're going to be walking out over here in a little bit.
Let me make a good still picture of this.
It's a good spot for it. Way out there on that point.
Yeah.
James, can you reach out there in front of the camera?
I think there.
over there?
That's where we're headed to camp for the night. You kiddos excited?
Yeah!
All right.
Okay, yo-yo time.
Yo-yo time.
Meow,
Come on. You hit right in the head last time. Hey, look at that hawk.
close. Tell them what we're fixing to do, kiddos.
We are fixing to go. I'm terrified.
What do you think of this cave, Veda?
This is pretty cool. I might climb a road. I see.
Yeah.
What's in there?
Yeah, go ahead.
Go ahead, Veda.
Look how awesome! Look how awesome this is.
This is pretty cool.
Like this is crazy.
It's not really a good spot to camp, you know what I mean? Because, like, there's not anywhere to lay, per se.
Where are we at, Preston?
Dude, I don't know.
Some cave.
Yeah, I mean, it's just, we're like right on the edge of the Buffalo National River. He's in a hurry, ain't he? Nope, but we do have to leave the beaten path, the trail here, in order to get to our camp spot.
This could be a good camp spot, seeing how far the river is away.
Could be. All right, y'all ready?
No way. Kicking game.
Whoa, good catch. Nice bluffs up there above it.
Veda, be careful, okay?
Lunchtime.
We're going to get cane poles. Preston's got his spicy chicken noodles cooking. I got spicy beef noodles cooking.
Mine's in there because I busted my thing. Veda's doing chicken. Yep. I got some Viennas too. Here, you can have some.
Everybody out there,
They might have.
at least the ones that are same. I got barbecue friends, so I'll give y'all one. Too fast to carry. My 11-year-old little boy is right up on top of that hill. He's going number 2 in the woods.
You gotta do what you gotta do, right, Veda? Don't know how good that color is gonna show up from that because the light's kind of low, but.
Man, it's pretty.
What time is it, James? Like 4:15?
Maybe more. Yeah, exactly. 4:15.
It looks brighter on the phone than what it is in person. You can see outside of this valley, it's still bright and sunshiny out. See the light on them trees over there? Yeah. So we'll probably have to gather a little bit more firewood, and then we brought some fishing line, sinkers, and hooks. And we're gonna tie them to those cane poles laying over there. Yep, and let the kids toss a line out there. All right, kids, I got a question for you. What was your favorite part about the camping trip today? The cave? That was pretty cool. What about you, Veda?
I don't know. Probably whenever we were fishing over
We were all four just sitting around and eating and talking and stuff. It was pretty cool. James, what was your favorite part of today? Oh, yeah. Makes for a pretty good time, don't it?
No, it's okay.
My favorite part was probably, campfire at night is always one of my favorite parts. It's hard to beat. And the cave was pretty cool, but I thought it was really cool being up above that bluff and looking down on the river and stuff. It's pretty sweet. But I don't know, man, I keep coming back to that cave because that's pretty neat. Especially since it had that sinkhole up top or whatever. That was really neat. I've never heard of that one. Now, at the other end, going from 14 the other way or whatever, that guy was telling us this morning that there's that, they call it the Indian Rock House, and it's pretty much the same thing. Yeah. It was like a cave dwelling, Native American cave dwelling or whatever, but...
You go fish good, buddy.
I don't think you're going to reach the fire with that breath, bud.
No, you're just making it work.
How'd everybody sleep last night?
Good. Okay.
Alright, so we came up with a game for the kids to play. They're going to go look for...
Heart-shaped rocks. Heart-shaped rocks.
And then we'll tell them when their time is up. They're going to come back, and whoever has the most rocks wins. Right? Alright, are you ready?
No,
Yes.
I got to tell you
Get set?
one thing.
Oh, okay. Alright, are you ready?
Yeah.
Get set? Go.
I just keep...
Alright, kiddos, you found your heart-shaped rocks, right? There's Vedas. Okay, right? Go over here and show them Didas. There's Didas.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
15. Alright. Congratulations, Dida, you won. Good job, buddy. Good try, Veda.
I had one. Missed it by one.
Isn't it?
Let's leave the river and try to catch some little fishes.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you guys were trying to catch some, weren't you?
I caught 3 of those minnows down there. I couldn't catch any more than those.
Yeah. Are y'all ready for this long uphill out of here? Probably not.
I'm just ready for the downhill the entire time because it was uphill most of the time.
Mm-mm. It was downhill most of the way here.
It's going to be uphill almost all the way back. That's good.
Yeah.
I That's horrible news.
No, the good news about it is the worst of it will get out of the way pretty much
The
right
rest
away.
of it's gonna be like cake compared to what we got.
Yep. All right. Well, I guess let's do it, huh?
What we doing first.
Well, I mean, this little thing,
Oh, this is nothing.
that's nothing. It's the steep hill, that like four-wheeler trail, that old Forest Service road.
Right here, height to almost, I'd say about 3/4 of that right there. Height.
In a quarter of a mile, if that.
Almost the same distance as just like from here to there. It's just, we go up about right there and then we were walking back and forth across to get to the top. And then we'll zigzag back out.
Did you guys learn anything on this trip?
Yeah.
What is it?
What not to do with the fire. Don't kick it with the boot.
That's all you learned?
And how to catch some minnows.
There was no lesson on. Never mind.
and hot rock catching.
Yeah, but it wasn't just that. It was, you may go searching for stuff, but sometimes what you need is right there in front of you, and you just don't realize it. No.
I didn't show them my fossils.
All right.
I got
Tell them what we saw this morning.
Yeah, what'd you see this morning, dude?
a bald eagle. First off, in my fossil collection, I got what looks like some kind of fish gills.
Neat.
And then for the second one,
Mm-hmm.
you see both sides of this fossil. There's the one side,
Yeah.
and there's the other. And for the third one, I think I found it. There it is. There's a small fossil. Don't know if you can see it, but if you flip it over, there's the body. What? Okay. Follow me.
Are you ready?
Yep.
All right.
Hey, we're going right.
Tyler, you're going the wrong way, bud.
We're going that way, bud.
Here's exhibit 972 of creepy stuff we found in the woods. These are intentionally put there. They look to be intentionally put there. And there's a pile of rocks.
What are they?
Who knows? We come back by that cave while we were hiking, and we figured we'd come over and check out the sinkhole on top. But the red bluff that was above where we camped, we're above it now on our side of the river. What are you doing, Tyler?
Okay, you got a jacket.
Why are you doing it?
$1.
To earn $1? It's also because you said, I can carry that. Right? Come on, Dita.
No. Huge one.
It's pretty cool.
Me too.
That's a heck of a hill we just come up too. Whoop.
That's just what you got.
Is that a sight for sore eyes, kids?